No. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh.
You've got Celt there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my! Oh, cool.
Stop. Stop, Lolo.
No!
Go away.
Hi, Mama.
You okay, baby? Go away.
Fucking evil, this thing. Look at its teeth, man.
Get up out my face. You just licked your own ass. Oh, 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 oh.
I always change it to, it's actually going to be created for you now, 86.
Okay. His first time trying a pickle. I don't think he's gonna eat it. Let's see.
We're gonna have shrimp cocktail today. Here you go. Mmm. You're a good boy.
No puedo creer eso. No puedo creer esto, en serio.
Guapo! Hoy! Guapo yan! Guapo ka ba?
Bruh.
Fucking intense.
Fix that neck. Ronan. Ibe, 喂，过来。差点，こっちから。イベ，哎，过来。哎，イベ。还有这情景嘞！ 网上很火啊，我见过。好讨厌。
Did I find your spot?
My niece is here. My dog aren't the cutest ones off the floor. What are you doing?
Non mais c'est une blague. Mia.
Stop. No.
Huh?
Have a rough day, O'Ailey. Excuse you? Diva much?
Are you taking a bath today or no?
¿A dónde íbamos, malvado? Vamos, vamos. El perrito se fue de casa.
Did I find your spot?
You're not stuck. I love you. I love you so much.
I am a genius.
Fucking my dog.
Buenas noches, caballero. Buenas noches, caballero.
Be nice. Good boy.
Coffee makes your tongue crooked. Tyson, is your tongue crooked?
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad. So?
Daigos! Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Well, I'm surprised you don't have anything to say about my glasses. You usually don't like things like this. Did he just make fun of me?
Milo, what's wrong? Are you stuck? What happened?
Mate, you smell the dinner? Mate, that's gross. Mate. Wait, what's the Mate.
Birdie, did you do that? Did you do that? Huh? Did you do that?
This can't be comfortable for her. Zena.
Walked in behind you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid.
What's this? What is that?
Open them. Come here, you stinky ass bitch. Come here.
Okay, we're going to jump and oh, dang it. Dang it. Okay, let's try again. Back it up.
So this is what we do when we go to Target.
I don't think I've ever showed you Coco's tricks. Sit. Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
I have a sip? Just one sip.
I keep scooping the water out, but it goes back in.
See? No.
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that?
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty.
Go, Peppa, go on. Good girl.
Yeah. Where'd that guy?
Or is it just the blue noodles already cold? Or is it just the blue noodles?
I got you. I got you. I turned it on.
Here's a view from the other side. What are you guys doing?
I'm home.
I said no. You cannot get on the yoga mat. I already told you can't get on the yoga mat.
Loopy. Bye. Тихонечко, тихонечко. Тихо.
It's gonna get you. Woo-wee. Ooh, that thing will tear you up.
And then you think, well, I can't not Eddie.
Oh, that thing.
When your husband takes your fur baby to work and he wants to help.
A little ladder climber here. Loves climbing ladders. You're all the way at the top.
What are you doing, Milo? Come on, you can do it. Go backwards if you have to. There you go. There you go.
What you got in there is good to eat. You got any biscuits for sale in there? Reckon what you like.
Excuse me? What did you do? Spanky.
Marky? Oh yeah, do the whole lot. I think you've missed a bit.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Yeah, you got caught.
Why do you look like Joe Dirt? Rusty. Oh my God.
Because I don't know why you even left it open. If you was done, you'd have came. Girl.
Are you okay? What the fuck?
When you fish, it's very important to know the water temperature. So Jack,
What? Why you sneaking me? Why you sneaking me? What? Why you sneaking me?
And like a little cheese ball, and then I just pretend like I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no, honey, no, honey, no. Tricked ya.
Put the shopping away.
Okay, you can get a chomp. One chomp. Okay.
Head out of your mouth. Leave it. Leave it. Thank you.
Up. Down. Up. Down.
Aww, you're so cute. Can I sing you a song? Arr, 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 arr. Arr, 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 arr. Arr, 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 arr. I think he likes it.
Okay, let's go inside. Ready, set, sploot.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
When you try to work out with a dog, this is what happens. She thinks it's a toy. Callie!
you so much shit.
Oh! I want to show Bethany her BBL. Get off the bed. No!
There's a power button. What? Damn, bro, you scared me.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
This is a waste of time. We could have been in a bar, having a nice cocktail. We could have had a coffee.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom.
What's up, y'all? This is my dog named Goldie. I love her to death. She's only 6 months old, and this is her favorite watering hole.
No. Gracie, get down.
What are you doing? Can I have paw? No?
I'm so hungry, I could eat a Bernese Mountain Dog named Benny.
Huh?